Does English grammar make you feel confused or even scared? Do you look at all the rules and want to give up? You are not alone. Grammar is the part that many learners find the hardest. But here is some good news. There is one book that makes grammar simple, clear, and even fun. Millions of learners around the world use it and love it. Today, I want to tell you all about it and show you how to use it the smart way. The book is called English Grammar in Use. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us open this wonderful book together and make grammar easy. First, what is this book? English Grammar in Use was written by a teacher named Raymond Murphy. It is one of the most famous English books in the whole world. Many learners call it the best grammar book for beginners. Why? Because it is simple, clear, and very easy to use. It does not use hard, confusing words. It teaches each grammar rule in a kind and simple way. If you want one good book to start your grammar journey, this is the one. Now, let me tell you the special thing about this book. It has a very smart design. Each grammar point gets just 2 pages. On the left page, there is a short, simple explanation of one rule, with clear examples. On the right page, there are exercises so you can practice that same rule right away. So you read the rule, then you use it. Read, then practice. This is why the book works so well. You do not just learn the rule, you actually use it. This design teaches us a very important lesson about learning grammar. You must practice, not just read. Many learners read a rule, say, "Okay, I understand," and then forget it the next day. But this book makes you do the exercises. When you write your own sentences and use the rule, it goes deep into your mind. So remember this golden tip. Do not only read grammar, always practice it. Practice is what turns a rule into a real skill. Here is my favorite way to use this book. Learn just 1 page a day. Do not try to learn everything fast. That only brings stress and confusion. Instead, open the book to 1 grammar point. Read the easy explanation on the left. Then, do the exercises on the right. That is all. Just 1 small rule each day. It takes only 15 or 20 minutes. But over 1 year, you will learn hundreds of grammar points. Small steps every day make a big difference. Another great thing is that you do not need to start at page 1. You can jump to the topic you need. Do you have a problem with is and are? Find that page. Do you not understand the past tense? Find that page. The book is like a friendly helper. Whenever you feel confused about a grammar point, you open the book, read the simple explanation, and your problem is solved. It is like having a kind teacher in your bag. Let me give you another smart tip. After you finish the exercises, make your own sentences. The book teaches the rule, but you should also use the rule in your own life. For example, if you learn the present tense, write 3 sentences about your day. I wake up early, I drink coffee, I go to work. When you make your own real sentences, the grammar becomes part of you. This small extra step makes your learning much stronger. Now, I want to be honest with you about grammar. Grammar is important, but it is not everything. Some learners study only grammar and never speak. That is a mistake. Grammar is like the bones of the body. You need it, but you also need the muscles, which is speaking and listening. So use the book to learn the rules, but also listen to English and speak it. Use both together. The book gives you the rules, and real practice brings them to life. This is why I love mixing this book with listening. Here is a beautiful plan. In the morning, study 1 grammar point from the book. Then, during the day, listen to an English podcast, like this one. As you listen, you will start to hear that same grammar in real sentences. You will think, oh, that is the rule I learned today. When you see grammar working in real English, it makes so much more sense. The book and the podcast become a perfect team. Let me also say this. Do not be afraid to make grammar mistakes when you speak. The goal of the book is to help you, not to make you scared. Even with a few mistakes, people will understand you. So learn the rules slowly with the book, but speak freely without fear. Mistakes are normal. They are part of learning. With time and practice, your grammar will become better and better, almost without you noticing. So let us make a simple plan together. First, get a copy of English Grammar in Use. Choose the right level for you, like the one for beginners. Second, study just 1 page a day, the rule and the exercises. Third, make your own sentences with each new rule. Fourth, listen to English every day to hear the grammar in real life. And fifth, speak without fear. If you follow this simple plan, your grammar will grow strong, step by step, 1 easy page at a time. We have learned so many helpful tips today about English grammar in use. We learned that it is one of the best and simplest grammar books for beginners. We learned about its smart design, explanation on the left, practice on the right. We learned that practice is more important than just reading. We learned to study 1 page a day, to jump to the topic we need, and to make our own sentences. And we learned to mix grammar study with listening and speaking. What will we talk about next time? Next time we will explore another great learning book, Word Power Made Easy. and learn the secret of building a big and strong vocabulary, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep studying, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.